Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darreno'neill.eu. In this short video I'm going to show you how to compare two files in Notepad++. So in order to do this we need to get a plugin that we can install on Notepad++, and once we have that we can then attempt to compare our two files. So I'm just going to begin by downloading the plugin that we need, and I'll leave this link below so you can just copy and paste it if you're following along. So I'm just going to paste in the link here to get the plugin that we need, and we'll see the download will begin shortly for us here, hopefully. Okay, great, and we can see the compare plugin has downloaded. So I'm just going to go and look in my downloads now by going show in folder, and we can see we have the compare plugin here. So I'm just going to unzip this here by right clicking and clicking extract all, and we'll just extract it to here. That's fine. Okay, so then I'm going to go into the compare plugin, and the file I want is this compare plugin.dll. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to my C drive, and I'm going to go into program files x86. Depending on how you install Notepad++, you might see it in program files. So I'll just go in here, I'll go to Notepad++, and I'm going to go into plugins, and then I'm going to paste this file in here. So great, we can see it's here now. So I'm just going to minimize this now, and I'll minimize my Chrome window. And on my Windows desktop I have two files, test file 1 and test file 2. So I'm just going to open these in Notepad++. So here's test file 1, and I'm going to open test file 2. Perfect, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click on test file 2, and I'm going to click move to other view. Okay, so we now have them side by side. If I now click plugins, compare, and compare again, if I can get it here, there we go, perfect, cool. And we can see now it's now comparing our files. So you can see yellow is like some part of the line is different, so you can see it's highlighted first. Over here it says second, test file 1, test file 2 here. It highlights red here because this complete line is not in the other file, and you can see here the green is for extra lines. So that was a very short tutorial on how to install the compare plugin on Notepad++ and use it. It is particularly handy if you're looking at config files. If you encountered any difficulty in this tutorial, please do comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. And thanks for watching.